pi baro ngi priang sngobai pi sya ka thup khubor menta ka janmit para shwa bangin phai ki khubor ki babnya ngin ya pechwai ki mat bakongsan Yashim benta Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ha ka National Unity Day celebrations ha Statue of Unity IT ke Sorkar ya ke Jaka Banshna ya ke National Law University ke Jilla ha mau pedang Makhanu Khang Tala ke Joint Action Committee ya ke Kamra Jong Unehu Technical Officer Rohit Prasad Bat Bu Jingkentu ke Seng UDP ya ki Seng Reulom ke Jilla Ban Yatili Ki khubor ki babnya Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ulai shim menta ha ke jingrakhe ya ke National Unity Day ha Statue of Unity ha Ekta Nagar Gujarat henne ke step Menteri Rang Badu Keri ulabu sentiu ru ya umwat jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ha Statue of Liberty ha ke lingku sngikha jong Menteri Ketenat ki Kampok Ying ban ningkong jong Keri Modi ula play perda bat bu mau nongrem ru ya shibun teli ki projek penroi ki bakot hadu shispa hanreu folklore tingka haba a jingkran hagan ni kesngi Modi ula ong ba ka jing tuklar jong ki kamsan perthai ka longkum mau jentut ya ka roi ka par jong Keri Ban kintiu ya ka jingpuli an syaka kerdan bakham syajrong ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala penyo ya ka Jaka na ka benta bantai ya ka National Law University ha ka Jilla Menteri Rang Ba Keri kongret ke sangma henen kesngi ula IT no ya ka Jaka syaka National Law University ka Jilla bat ya ka Meghalaya State Judicial Academy ha ka shnong mau pedang Makhanu sya Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court bat Chancellor jong ka National Law University Justice Sanjeev Banerjee ha ka jingkran jong Menteri Rang Ba ka Jilla ula ong ba ki Jaka puli bat ki Jaka a jing pentebit kim dai ban long tangkum ki Jaka a jing hikai henrei ki dai ban yatrai lang ban a jing mut ya ka Sorkar
Honorable Mr. Justice Hamarsan S. Thank you, Judge High Court.
We are all working towards building and ensuring that this institute would at the end contribute immensely to the state of Meghalaya and to the country as a whole. If a state like ours has to move forward and come into a area where we start looking at becoming more of a regenerative economy, it is only through development of human capital can we achieve it.
Ka Joint Action Committee ka bakentup ya ka Nehuta, Nehusu bat Nehusa henne kesngi kala Khang Tala ya ka Kamra Trekam jong Technical Officer Senior Consultant ka Nehu Rohit Prasad balak thungkam bamhok da Vice Chancellor Prabha Shankar Shukla Hadin ka jing persya jong ka JAC Prasad ula IT no ya Shabi bat kila yolat ban Khang Tala no ya ka Kamra kabadon ha ka Office BC Kham hashwa ki dekot jong ka JAC kila penlong da ka jingaki persya ya Vice Chancellor jong ka Nehu da ka jingbam lang bat ka jingbam shimbenta ha ka jingalang jong ka Academic Council ka bashispa khatway
This is our university. We can't allow it to go to drain and somebody driving it to the drain. That is what we are going to fight for, and we'll make sure that from now on, starting from today, and of course we have started it many months ago, we will make sure that whoever sits in that chair, he functions his duty like he has been appointed for. If a Vice Chancellor has been appointed for, he is supposed to discharge his duty as a Vice Chancellor following Nehu Act, Statute, Ordinance, Rules and Regulations, and also abide by the UGC regulations that are present there.
Ka Seng UDP henen kesngi kalai wer ya ki Seng Reulom ka Jilla ban Yateli General Secretary ka Seng UDP iba Jemino Mautho ilai tho ya ki lat pathai khubor balada ki Seng Bhalang ki la ban Yateli halor ka no ka mat ka ba ki ngok khialang balai ba ki Seng Reulom kim la ban le lang kumjo Uloong ba le se hakapor ba ki le yalap hakikam san perthai ki Seng Reulom ki ya ko daukti ka wei ka Seng ya ka wei pat Henry ulo ong pat ba ka jinga teli hapadeng jongki kalong kabokong santam.
Baka long ka badon kam hai yangi bandon ka jingi tli kum ka chat bandriam mo nada ki don gini ki regional parties ka ka state ka jongi ru ni don kam hiru banya don langket e kata ka de ka jingkwa na ka leng ka jongi mo ngim don kata ka jing snow pair da kam ni da kam tai mo te andre ni kwa bandon kata ka jing ya snow thu jimut kan mangini long lang ka wai kan ne ka jing e ka bangi ka ndu kum ka state kan ne ki challenges mo akan ka state tu jongi ki issues boper iba bon ase mo palla wan pun urlong hadu mentaru de ladangia separate kumne nei katamu nginumla man poi se ka thong em
Ki dikhot jong ka Martin Waste Disposal Site Monitoring Committee kila let ban jurip ya ka jakat he nyut ha Martin ka badon ha maulai mauyong. Hagani ka committee kila yadan bon kinong yadan benta ki bakin thup ya u MLA ka than iba Bright Star Well Marbanyang u MDC ka than iba Taybor Pathaw ka seng samla maulai pelun bat kinong mikmat jong ka Shillong Municipal Board bat ka maulai town Dorbar. U Executive Engineer jong ka Shillong Municipal Board iba FB Khan ilayat hu ya kilat pathai kubor ba ka jaka ha Martin kala jandap bat ila ong ba kindang beteng ban penon kam ya kani ka jaka sa kattu ka nisnem lada kila ban le ya ki jabo jaban ki balawan ban the hang ni Ki khun samla ki bidang ke jong ka Ribhoi district kilay lumlang hinne kasngi ban yashimenta haka fit India run South Point North ka program kabala penlong da ka office jong u district sports officer haringkat bat ka office jong u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi. Kani ka jing mare kelas dang nadu kapor nyo baje men step na Sidon Indoor Stadium bat ya kabala place dang da u president jong ka Ribhoi Dorbar. Kani ka jing mare kala kut pat ha NSCA Indoor Stadium omling kedai nongpo. Ya ka freshers ka basaw pu ar jong ka Mizo Students Union la penlong Hanehu Convocation Hall hinne ka sngi. UCM ka KHADC iba penyat sings im ila longkum ukongsan ha kani ka sngi. Haba ajing kran ha kani ka sngi iba sim ila yaro iya ka union ka bala penlong iya kani ka program bat kintu ru iya ki bakin minot ha ki jing pule bat ban keu ha ka jing im ki jong ki.
There is a need for a brilliant youth to pursue higher studies and with the guidance of God to climb higher and higher to serve as close to the King as Daniel was. To even prevent evil laws and decrees to save our people. We can't afford to see many more lives lost for selfish ambitions and injustices of others.
Nadu kasantarik unai wing arhajar arpulai kapor nakabenta ki khubor Khasi bat pareng kan sakila. Pila ban pet ya khubor Khasi hakapor riu shiteng janmit bat ya khubor pareng hakapor nyobaje janmit. Pila aru ban pet ya khubor kabaman nakasngi haka YouTube channel jong ka Didi News Meghalaya. Mentapat ngin yapet ya ka jinglong jingman kasun mineng hasilong. Ka jing shit kalong arpulai point sun degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong khat reu point sun degree Celsius. Ka jing sngem ka haw kalong reu pusan na ka shispa men step bat reu puway na ka shispa janmin. Kasun mineng kala ban rang hasilong. Shwaban poy siya kabukod jong katup kubor ngin yapet biang sa sisien yakimat bakongsan. Yashim menta umintri rang ba'du kari Narendra Modi ha ka National Unity Day celebrations ha Statue of Unity. IT ka sorkar ya ka jaka banshna ya ka National Law University ka jilla ha maupdang makhonni. Khang tala ka Joint Action Committee ya ka Kamra jong Unehu Technical Officer Rohit Prasad. Bat bu jingkentu ke seng UDP ya ki seng reulom ka jela ban yatli. Te paralog da kitu ki khubor ngila poisha ka bukut jong ka thup khubor jongi menta ka janmit hadu banginde syambyang bat phila shai kasngi khublai phi baro.
Tax with guaranteed returns. This limited period offer is just for you.
Snakes have